Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about the difference between a website and blog, how to make it, and how to make e-commerce website. At the same time, how to create a website with a page builder like Elementor. To see them, I can call this as a website and I can call this as a blog. The only difference is this guy is giving more information, and here they're selling a service. These people make money by selling the service, a product. These people earn money by ads. That's the difference. But when you're creating both same, you have to buy domain hosting, but only one difference make them either a website or not. Let's see here. This is looking like a website, but at the same time, let me go to the dashboard. Website means generally people write content in the pages, home, about us, courses. But whereas the blog people, they go to post, they write post. They go to post, they write post. But even though yours is a website, you can make post, no problem. Just see my website, ODMT. This is a website. But related to my subject, I also write blogs. So that I'll write in a post. I redirected in such a way that all posts are coming over here. So different blogs I wrote regarding the subject. Now look, now you tell me, if this page become my front page, what do you call that then? It look like what?
Homepage.
It look like a
If
blog.
this page,
Yeah. If this page will be my front page, then it will become a blog, right?
it becomes a blog.
Yeah. Generally, it is a website, but if all my post page, if it coming to the front page, it look like a blog. In the same way, for this Dial Palpur website, also made many blogs anyway. Just see the website. Front page is a page, and all my posts I redirected to the page called blog. So all blogs are coming. If I make this page as a front page, it will look like a blog. So in order to make that, only one difference is there. But I'll tell you before that, today you do one thing. Your website till now, you wrote a content on the pages. Go to post, click on add new, write blogs. If you want to write blogs, go to post, not to the page, and write something else like India versus Bangladesh match. Assume that you want to write about that, and what are the content you want to write it. Copy content also no problem as of now. Okay. Important things are post name, content, and mandatory thing is featured image. This is same like a thumbnail. So proper image you just upload, click on publish. In such a way, you have to do 10 posts today. What are the topic? What are interest? Travel, health, blog, everything.
Why 10 posts?
No, in order to make website look much better, minimum 10 posts should be there. Then it look full. If you write only 2, 3, it's not good. You can write more also, no problem.
And how would it show like?
Like
how do you redirect this to the page?
Redirect means?
We are writing these posts, right? How would these posts be published on the blog page?
Yeah, I'm going to show you that. So I'm taking a new website here. I'm writing it. I'm selecting a topic called the same India versus Bangladesh match. Right? Content I don't have.
Yeah.
I'm going to Google it and I copy paste it. Whenever SEO topic comes, you should not do it anyway. But as of now, we haven't started anything SEO. That's why I'm copy paste the content.
What we shouldn't do when SEO topic? What is that we should avoid?
Copy content. You should not copy content.
So we cannot copy.
You should not copy it.
Is there any threat, any copyrights issues?
It's not about the copyright. Google will not make your website on top. Google hates plagiarism.
All right.
Now,
so plagiarism.
As of now, I copy the content. Now, next thing is featured image. I'll take one image. Right, we come back here, put as a featured image, featured image.
What about tags?
Just a second. Right. Next thing is, as of now, we already created categories because people who come to your website, you should provide a lot of information. Like you can divide your content like movies, health, fashion, travel, like this. So here, by default, when you start your website, only one category will be there, uncategorized. Okay, but you can add like this, add new category, like
Sports.
political, sports already there.
Okay.
If
Not
not,
there.
if not, you will be adding anyway. Sports. In such way, you can add the categories. Now, this topic is about the sports. Then tick mark the sports and publish it. Okay. Now you can see your post, how it look like. So this is how it look like, the content. Now we need only one. Keep on doing more anyway. Let me do another one. Like so one political news I'm writing here. This is the topic. Recently, some assembly election happened in this place. I'm writing the blog. But that doesn't have a proper content. That's why I changed the content. I'm writing this. Go to post. Sorry, I didn't copied. Post name, then the contents. Let me copy the contents. Then what else? Post name, content, what else?
Image.
Featured image.
Image.
I'm taking body image here. Something else. Featured image I'm adding. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you see that image is a web file? You can't add it anyway. You understood?
Yeah. It's not a JPEG.
Correct. So let me take Modi image from Google. See, this is also web file, so don't save it anyway. This is also web file. This is JPG image. Let's take this. Come back, set a featured image. Done. So post name, content, featured image. What else is important? Categories. This is the
Category.
statistical one. You spoke about tags that will be helpful in the SEO, not required in the designing.
All
Publish.
right.
In such a way, 10 posts you do it. I'm not going to do 10 posts right now. That's it. Now you go back to the website. This is my main website, p.techcourses.com. You just see the website. What are the posts I wrote? By default, they're coming under my home page. What do you mean by this? What do you mean
It's
by this? It's a
blog.
it's a blog. By default, whenever you start your website with the WordPress, by default, it's a blog. Okay. If you want to do it as a website, what you have to do, I'm going to tell you. I told you anyway, you will be creating pages anyway. Let me create 2 to 3 pages. Like home page. And let me add some content in the home page also. I'm adding the digital marketing content only. Now here you not required any featured image and all these things, pages. I'm creating 2 more pages. Contact us. And 1 more page called about us. Done. Now you know that you have to create a menu anyway. Let me create the menu. Like I'm doing ABC, create menu. Now what all the pages you created? Home, about us, contact us, add to the menu.
Add to the menu.
Then save menu. And this menu you have to apply to the theme also. So go to theme, customize, and just add it. Then it will appear. So there is an option called menu, the menu location. I'm adding it. I'll just see the website. Can you see here? Got the menu.
Yeah.
Home, about us, contact us. But by default, it is showing this. When you click on home, you'll see the home content. Whenever people type p.techcourses, directly this page comes, it's look like a website. But by default, it is not showing. Directly all posts are coming because by default, WordPress meant for blogs only. If you want to do as a website, what you have to do is, every theme have this option. Go to customize, theme customize. There is an option called home page settings. It says that your home page displays latest post. Got it?
Yeah.
I don't want latest post. I want a static page. Then he's asking what your front home page should be. My home should be my home page. Then maybe you're writing some post where your post should go. All my posts should go to about us, I'm saying. You can put a page name called blog also. It's up to you anyway. It doesn't have to be blog.
All right.
Publish.
All right.
Now just here, whoever open p.techcourses, it will not show latest post. It's showing your home page content. Okay. And all your posts being where?
About us.
About us. If you see this, all your posts are available. This is the difference between a website and blog. Okay. And whenever you want to switch, you can switch it. I want to show the latest post, you can switch it. That's it. But if you want to make it as a blog, the theme which you decided, it's not good. Website themes are different, blog themes are different. See, this is good for website. This is good for website. This is good for blog. Can you see it?
Yeah.
This is good for blog. This is good for blog. So if you want to find out new themes, click on add new and type news. All themes which are suitable for blogs will be getting it.
We can't just put blog.
No, type news. Mostly news related blogs will come, like News Street, News Store.
All right.
News.
All right.
These
All
are
right.
good for blog. Now you should understand whenever you're making a blog, what kind of theme you have to apply. When I'm making a website, what kind of themes you have to apply. Now this
All
is
right, all right.
I'm already installed. I'm activating it. Now previously your website was like this. Just applying a theme, see how your website look like. Good? Is it good?
Um, but now it's not a website, now it's a blog.
It's a blog, yeah.
So
Now,
you have to go back to the menu settings, the page settings and the customized option if I want to make this as a website,
you can do it.
anything
Now
like
go to customize. You want to make it as a website, you can do it.
that. Okay, it's possible.
See, I'm doing it anyway. So home page setting, static page, publish. Now go back to the website. See, is this looking like a website or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, whenever you click on about us, you'll see all your blogs. Right. I want it to be like a blog only, then I make it.
But includes now basically what I see is in here on a single theme, I noticed that you can create the website and the blog content on the same theme. But I have seen on these newspaper pages that usually when they shift to a new topic, their theme also changes.
Correct.
How does that work then?
Okay.
So, for example, if on this specific
And
website,
I understood. I understood.
all right,
You can see the website like ndtv.com, correct?
yeah,
This is a blog latest post. And whenever you click on this crickets, am I correct? The theme changes. This is what you say, correct?
yeah, I think right now I've not seen the cricket one. It's opening.
Just
When
here,
it opens, then
just here.
yeah,
I open the cricket. Now different theme came, correct?
yeah, exactly.
Different theme came.
Yeah,
You see the URL here. This is ndtv.com. This is sports.ndtv.com. Means a different website. You can't change for a different page, different theme anyway. That is only possible with the subdomains. This is a subdomain. He purchased one domain called ndtv.com. With one domain, you can create multiple subdomains. Sports.ndtv, movies.ndtv, political.ndtv. And he created a website again separately. He constructed it.
all right. So basically, on a single domain, I can, if I split it into subdomains, I can use multiple themes as
Correct.
required.
Because it's a separate website.
All right.
Okay. I'll show you anyway how to do that also. Maybe I'll take one more class for this. We'll record this. Maybe the users also will see that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But as of now, ours is a blog. But blog means homepage is okay. Contact us, about us will not be available anyway. What they need is like this: movies, cricket, technology. There should be a categories. I've already created
Yeah.
categories, correct?
Yeah.
Once you go to post, first time when you're writing a post, create all the categories. I've already created the categories. In the menu, don't add pages. You have added pages, right? Add categories.
Yeah.
Like, go to menu. Even I don't want home and all these things also. I don't want all these things. I'm removing it. Home, let it be okay. Uh, but contact is not required for me. About is not required for me. So previously you clicked on pages added. Now click on
Yeah.
categories. But all the categories you created, select all and add to the menu. The difference between the categories and pages is if you add a page, people click, they'll see only one content. If you add categories called movies, you wrote 10 posts, out of 10 posts, 5 posts, you click them as a movies category. All those blogs will come. You don't have to separately put a link over there. That is the benefit. See the difference. When you open for the website, complete blogs will come. But when you click on sports, only sports blog will come. Can you see this?
All right, all right.
When you
And
click
the
political,
and the
only
the
political blog
posts
will come.
the posts flashing on the screen as you open the blog are the latest posts. For example, if I
Very
must have
good.
created 10 yesterday and 10 today, so it will
Correct.
show the latest posts. All
Correct.
right.
Correct. Correct.
But is there an option where the posts can flash into another post, showing us different options, not being a static post? Like I see right now here that on the left hand side, it's Modi versus the rest of the world for 29. I want to flash it into after 15 seconds into another post. Is that possible?
Another post means I didn't get you.
Another post means, for example, right now on the left hand side, it's flashing, it's Modi versus the rest of the world, and it's static, it's not changing.
It has
Like
to
say after
go.
20 seconds, I
Acha,
want,
acha.
yeah, it should
It
be
depends on
replaced with
the
something.
it depends on the theme anyway. Now, can you see this theme?
So it
Can,
depends on the theme.
yeah, can you see this theme? Here, all
Yeah.
these slides will move. Okay, by seeing this theme, you'll understand. So not only 30 seconds, and every 5 seconds, this will move. Next post will come. Next post will come. Depends on the theme anyway.
All
Okay,
right. Okay.
right. But even if you want to get the slider also, as of now, I wrote only 2 posts. If many posts are there, the slider will come. So it's all about the theme only.
So how a slider will come here if there are many posts automatically?
Automatically, it's about the theme anyway. See, let me activate this theme. But as of now, the slider will not come anyway because we have only less posts.
Okay. All
Many
right. All
posts
right.
where it
Got
will
it.
come. Let's see them. So this is the slider. Okay, we'll try for another theme anyway, another website. We were working on the dial polymer one, right? Let us make it anyway. Let me clarify your question. See, now this is the website. I wanted to make it as a blog. You will tell me how to make it as a blog. You just guide me, I'll go.
Yeah. How to make it as a blog? Yeah. Go to customize, page, the settings, whatever it is. Yeah.
Once again, I'm going to customize then.
Coming down to front page setting, maybe. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
mostly it will be in a home page setting only. Very few themes, it will be something else.
front
Oh,
page setting.
this is complicated. No, actually, let us change the theme first. This theme is not good, correct? This is not good for blog. Yeah, this is for
All
website.
right.
Let us make it for a blog actually first. Let's change the theme. So if you want to go for a blog, what you have to search here?
For the
News,
blog, news.
news. If you want to get blog kind of themes, type news. Now let me select that theme, which have a slider. The good thing about these blogs are, when it comes to website, when you're trying for the themes, it looks something, but when you apply, it will be different. But 90% of the blogs, it will be same. What are they showing? It will come. That is the advantage. Now see, I'm going for this. Install. And activate. Now I apply the theme, go to customize. You'll be finding that home page setting option. Home page setting. What I have to do? Latest post. Then publish it. Now see the difference. You can see this theme. The slider is there automatically. This is what you're asking, right?
No, actually, I was not asking the slider. I was asking, like, that specific posts just dissolve and another post shows up.
That depends on the theme only anyway. Depends on the themes. There are many themes
Subhash,
you can try.
just pause this video, please.
Yeah. So this is the difference between website and blog and how you can do the categories. Right.
All right.
Now, let us show you how to make e-commerce website. The same thing, P.Tech courses, you're seeing it as a blog, previously saw it as a website also. Now I'll show you how to make a website also. Right.
E-commerce website.
E-commerce website. If you want to make an e-commerce website, there is a plugin actually. That plugin will make it as an e-commerce website. Go to plugin. Add name. The plugin name is called Woocommerce.
Is there only a single plugin for e-commerce website or there are multiple?
See, when it comes to WordPress, this is only the plugin we have.
Okay.
Install it. And many add-ons are there. This is the main plugin. And see, WooCommerce PDF invoice and packing slips. WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. You need a payment gateway, right? To accept debit card, credit card, internet banking, you have to install that. So in such a way, many add-ons will be there. Okay. First, let us work on this. It's a very big plugin.
What is an add-on?
Add-on means this plugin is the basic plugin. With this, people can add to cart, checkout, everything is there. But it should accept the payment also, right? For payments, few more add-ons for this. You have to install this plugin. If you
So
want
that's
to,
also another plugin.
WooCommerce only, but another plugin.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Why don't they have all these features in the same plugin?
You can't code the very big thing anyway, right? It will be
Okay.
clumsy anyway. That's why they divide it.
Okay.
Now I installed the WooCommerce, but actually I did already. That's the reason automatically came. Let me do it for Dial Palamuru because some small setup option will be coming. Let me do it in this. You can start your e-commerce website, you can start selling. It's very good these days actually. And because of our digital marketing, we can bring more traffic to the website and we can sell it. Many of my clients are there, both US and Australian clients. They have e-commerce website that is designed in WooCommerce. In the future, I'm going to show you. I show you how they added the products and how I brought traffic to the website, how sales are happening also I'm going to show you. So we are in a designing mode only, but next we'll be learning in the marketing. That is more fun actually. So with the today class, we'll be finishing the designing. I'll tell you, designing is not important. Marketing is important. But why I'm teaching designing? Because you learn SEO, Google AdWords many times that is related to the website. That's why we spend this many days on the designing anyway. Okay. But when you're working for the companies, they will not give you access to the website designing. Website, everything you have to talk to the developer only. Okay. But when you have a startup company, there is some company that doesn't have any developer, they give full access. You should know all these things. That's why I gave you. So focus more on marketing. It's always good to have a knowledge on the product anyway. But 20% on this, 80% on the marketing, you should have a knowledge. I can do very good websites on the WordPress, but I don't have that much time anyway. So I simply purchase themes and push it. I want to do it in one day only. Instead of spending 10 days on the designing, I spend only one day, remaining 9 days. I'll put my efforts on marketing so that sales will happen. When you install the plugin, you have to do few setups, like where is your store based and what is the address. And which currency do you accept payments?
Dollars.
Because we're from India, we accept rupees. Let's go. Of course, if you give in dollars, no problem for us. Payments. Payment, we have PayPal. Worldwide, people have PayPal accounts. Let it die. And if you want, you can go for offline payments also, like cash on delivery. Okay. And no, I want people should pay from debit card, credit card. Then
Yeah.
you should have a tie-up with the payment gateways. There are many payment gateway providers. There are companies like you see these companies, Stripe, PayPal, Amazon, Braintree, many people anyway. So you have to go to their websites because you can't have your own payment gateway. So you have to depend on these guys only. They charge money anyway. To have this, you have to pay money anyway. Now this guy is saying that, so 4.3% is charging on each transaction. Some companies charge in such a way that you don't have to pay for me for the product based, pay annually 20,000 or 30,000 rupees. It depends, but you should have tie up with them. But after this also, you have to show proof whether your company is registered or not, GST you're paying or not. Everything if you do, then only they give things. Then you can use it because you're doing a business, right? You have to prove all the things. I don't want all this headache. Mine is a small company. Don't go for this. Go with the cash on delivery. Work for a few days. If sales are really happening good, then have a tie up with them. So for this
Only
one,
those are the modes. Those are the only modes to have payment gateways. We cannot do it via bank or something like that. Bank transfers.
see, offline payments are there. You can see here, check payments, bank
Yeah.
transfer, cash on delivery. These are offline payments anyway. Means you can talk to them whenever customer call you, tell them provide your bank, they'll be transferring you.
Okay.
That's
But
offline
those
anyway.
credit card and debit card payments, how they happen via these
This
gateway providers.
gateway providers only because they have a direct contact with the banks.
So basically this Amazon kind of website or Flipkart, yeah. So they have these gateway providers, they have partnered with gateway providers.
Correct. Correct.
All
That's why
right.
you just try to purchase a domain from GoDaddy. GoDaddy will go to
Okay.
the gateway called Citrus or something. If they
Mm-hmm.
want, they can maintain their own gateways, or else they can depend on another one anyway. It will go to gateway. Maybe Amazon might be maintaining their own gateway, but GoDaddy it's not maintaining their gateway. It's depending on someone else.
Okay.
Okay. As an individual, you can't get gateways. You have to depend on these people.
All right.
Continue.
How large your entity must have to be to have your own gateways? In what scenarios?
You have to meet the bank, tell them that this is my transaction, this many crores I'm doing. Then only bank people will take a risk of providing a gateway.
All right. All
It should
right.
be bulk amounts transactions, not lakhs. It should be
All
crores.
right. Okay. Turnover should be large.
Correct.
All right.
After that, shipping means how much you want to charge for delivery. If you've done that, then we can go for that. See, shipping, how much you want to charge. I'm just mentioning 30 rupees. You just deep dive into that, check each and every option. Then what is your, is it kilos or else grams, pounds? What is your product? You can mention them. Then he's saying that as of now, what are the theme you're using that is not recommended, because e-commerce you should have a different theme anyway. Website you should have a different theme. Blog you should have a different theme. For e-commerce also you should have a different theme anyway. Okay, he's suggesting this. No, he's not suggesting anything. I don't want all these things now. Right now, I just select, click on continue, ignore them.
Why are we ignoring them?
So MailChimp and Facebook, we haven't done those things, right? When you learn
All
this, I'll be
right.
telling you. So it's all about email marketing. This is about
Okay.
analytics for you. This give you analytics. This also I'm ignoring because we have a Google Analytics. We can track with that. Everything is done. You go to the dashboard. Oh, I did it with the dial column. Now see, dial column rule. Now this is looking like a blog actually. Okay, I don't want it to be like a blog. I want it to be like an e-commerce website. If you want it to be like an e-commerce website, you have to change the theme. I'm changing the theme. Appearance theme. So for a blog, you will type news, right? If it is an e-commerce,
Yeah.
you should type shop. There are themes will be coming related to the e-commerce. Now these are all good for e-commerce. I assume that I'm selecting this, installed. And activate. Yeah, theme has been changed, but we have to do many things. Right. Now, as we discussed, if it is a website, you'll be writing content in a page. If it is a blog, you should be writing a content in a
Posts.
post. If it is an e-commerce
Yeah.
website, we'll be writing in a page or post. What do you think?
Posts.
You should be
Post,
doing
I
in a,
think.
you should be doing in a product. There is a new option came.
Okay. Okay.
Because you install this plugin, new option will
All
come
right.
called products. So go to products.
Until we didn't have that plugin, we didn't have that option, isn't it?
Correct. Products. Now assume that I'm writing a blog on kurtis.
Lipsticks.
You can add any e-commerce. Right. I'm taking content from someone else for easy. Now I'm
As
selecting
always.
woman
Okay.
black and gold toned printed straight kurta. Come back here, write as a product name, and you should have product description.
But if you go up here, no, there, on the other page. Yeah, if you go up, there are two names. You see, Vishud and how are these two headlines?
These two headlines, this one and this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'll research and let you know why it is. See, this is their customized theme anyway. I don't think they did it in a WordPress anyway. Even WordPress also can have. Let's see this, how to do that. Now I'm adding in the content description. You have two description, one description here, one description here. Okay. Product name, description, what is the price, and what is the sale price, you can mention. Okay. Are you there?
Yeah.
Now image. Now taking this image.
Yeah, how to do this zoom in and zoom out feature here?
Whenever after creating a website, you just say abracadabra, automatically will come. You got it?
No.
Automatically it will come. I made
Only
a
for
joke, but
e-commerce
you didn't
websites, you
understand.
mean?
Yeah. So, product name, two descriptions, regular price and sale price, product image. And product gallery also you can add. See, different variations you can add.
All right.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
I'm simply doing as one more important thing is categories. Like what kind of categories you want to add. Previously, for the post also you can add all the categories initially. I'm writing
Stitched, unstitched, whatever. Okay.
no a different kind of varieties. Kurtis, saris, what are you selling? Just mention them. And this is about a kurti. I'm selecting it. Publish. Then one product have been uploaded. In such way, try to add 10 to 15 products. Then only you will understand. You just play with your website, lubna.dial. Make it as a website, make it as a blog, make it as e-commerce. Now see the product. Now can you see this? Zoomer will. Can you see this? Zoomer?
Yeah.
Because I said abracadabra, it came.
Yeah.
Right.
And
Now,
in this cart, if you see the field next to the cart, it's not giving options more than one. It's just having one.
what do you want?
Yeah. No, 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 no. In the number field. Okay, it's
Huh.
there. All right. So this is automatic. It just comes with the theme.
Everything with the plugin. It's not with the theme. It's with the plugin.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Now let's try to place an order. Want to order 4, add to cart.
Please pay it. Yeah.
Sorry.
Please make the payment.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. And after that, view cart. Let's see. Price 1000 for quantity 4000 rupees. At the same time, automatically shipping charges also added. The total cost is 4030. Yeah. And even you can
And what
generate
about if I'm yeah, okay. Yeah.
coupon codes also
Coupon.
you can generate. There is an option you can generate the coupon codes. uh, Before only you can create coupon codes whenever the festival comes. Whenever customer apply the code, automatically discount come. I'll show that also. Proceed to checkout.
Okay.
Now automatically add to cart came, checkout came, registration form also came. Customer has to register, then only payment will be done. And after that, he'll be selecting the PayPal or cash on delivery option. Place order. Okay. Immediately he'll be getting an email that you placed an order. Thank you very much for the order. This is your order number. Immediately the website owner getting one message that you got an order. This is the order number. This is the details. Everything is automated because of that.
And at the back end, we will receive on our email
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
But how is that? We didn't have those kind of details,
By default, see,
adjustments.
the plugin will do everything because by the time you created a website, you'll be providing your email address, right? So that email
Yeah.
address only you'll be getting it. That's it. It's automatic. When it
And
comes
at the
to
back end, then who will contact the courier and how the courier will know?
that, see, that you have to do it manually. It's not a magic that you create an e-commerce website, everything will be done. Once you create an e-commerce website, you have to apply a theme, plugin, you have to contact the payment gateway providers, then shipping, delivery partners also you have to talk. Then they'll give some API that you have to push it.
They'll give what?
Delivery partners, they'll give API
Okay.
code. They have them some API code. Automatically, this information will go to them also. If you are maintaining your own delivery boy, it's not required anyway. Just get in touch with them.
So basically, right now we used what plugin? WooCommerce.
Correct.
And what are the add-ins that we added?
We haven't added anything.
Okay.
Right. We added one product. Let me add another product. Add name. Assume that.
So all these things only with one plugin WooCommerce. Yeah.
Yes.
Is there a way how can we automate the system that if we partner with a courier company and they get a notification that the address, all these things, how is that possible?
It might be possible. I never tried anyway, but we'll research it. There'll be helping. Generally, you have to. There is no automation because delivery partners, a number of people will be there. You have to tie up.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm adding a sari actually.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
I download the image and I'm taking this. Product name, and I'm taking the description. Kanjivaram sarees, it's from Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Right? Product name, description, the price,
And then the category.
then the category.
Why are you always giving so small discount?
If we give more discounts, we have to close our shop, right? Product image. Then
Categories selected already.
done.
Publish.
Gallery images, if you want, you can do it.
All right.
Publish. Of course, you can see the product. But whenever you go to the website, you can see posts and all the content, but where the products? Where will you find your products? Can you see them?
Mm.
So by default, whatever the products you created, that will be stored in a page called shop.
But we didn't create any shop page.
Automatic it is. Okay.
All
Can you see
right.
this? Can you see this? Automatically
Yeah.
it's there in this. Now that's why I ask you to create some 10 to 15 products so that it look like an e-commerce website. Okay.
But if I want to only show e-commerce website.
That I'll show you now. Now you tell me,
Okay.
by default, remember all your products are stored in shop, but this website is showing a latest post. When someone search this domain, I want to show off that products only. Do you have any idea?
Menu settings or repeat settings in customize,
Tell me.
something like that, maybe. Customize.
Customize. By default, if I go to home page setting, latest posts are there. Okay, maybe you thought to not show latest post. Okay, you don't want latest post, then go to static page. Then what do you want to show here?
Shop.
Very good. By default, shop page come shop. Done. Now it look like an e-commerce website.
If I delete the shop page, then all the products will be lost and the page will be lost to trash.
Products will be there. Products will not go anywhere, but shop page will not be available.
And then I have to restore it if it's
correct. Correct.
Okay, all right.
Got it? When you open a website looking like e-commerce website now,
but it's very ugly, you know.
It's very ugly. It will become perfect when you upload many products.
And
then
the correct theme.
Theme also. Now I'll show a few websites anyway. my students only tried. Art Vibes. This is one of my students. He do painting anyway. He created e-commerce website. This is one. Next is Truffle Cart. This is another bakery website. My students done. And
Same like Flipkart.
Good Life Mobility.
I think India has a very good website, Flipkart.
India have?
I like that Flipkart website a lot. It has so many books.
Yeah. You can see this. This is a theme. Is it good?
No.
It's okay. But it's okay, right? For the student who created his website. Don't expect like a Flipkart anyway. Flipkart, they have many developers that do it anyway. Not to showcase his painting, he push this. This is one website. And there is another student. This is his cake website. They deliver cakes, flowers and cake.
Plants.
What happened?
Flowers, combos, plants, everything.
Yeah. This is another website. They design with the Woocommerce only. This is.
All right, all right. And then they use a theme.
They use a theme.
All
See,
right.
you have to spend more time. So this guy spent more time, somewhat attractive anyway. Now this is my client anyway. This is also Woocommerce only. This is my Australian client. They sell these mobility scooters. This is also Woocommerce. Is it good?
It's not so good, but it's okay.
You create a website, I'll tell you whether it is good or not. Okay. So you need a lot of time to make that anyway. But there are many paid plugins are there. With that, you can make it good. Spend more time, then you'll do it. This is about how to make an e-commerce website. Now, if you click on blog, you will see all your blogs. And if you go to your content, you can see the website. So one website we made as a website, blog, and e-commerce also. Okay.
But how can we change, for example, like the entire website has a single theme, yeah? For a shop, I think the theme must be changed, right? For example,
I'll tell you, nobody will do that. With one website, nobody want to showcase their blog, e-commerce website. They have a clear intention, they do it anyway. But I'm showing you with one website to practice. So it depends on that, you can do it for it. Now, finally, I'm going to show you saying that my website is not good. I want to learn more, you're telling, right? I'm going to show one plugin. That plugin is very good, actually. You can make a beautiful website with less time. That is called Page Builder plugin. There are many Page Builder plugins. Elementor is the beautiful one. Elementor, this is one plugin. And is my voice is cracking?
No.
Okay then. Okay then, we'll stop for the day. When it comes to Elementor, we'll be learning tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much, students who are watching this video. If you have any questions on blog, website, or e-commerce website, you can comment. I reply back to you. And you have a business, you don't know how to create a website, how to market it, so reply back to me so that I'll try to contact you and we'll do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your class, and it's great content. And vote for Subhash, call his online training institute and get started today.
Thank you very much, Libna. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.